Hello everyone, I'm Ashrita and today we are with Tushar. We'll be discussing on the topic if being your real self is always a best strategy in a professional training. So Tushar.
Hello, Ashrita. Being yourself real is important, but not always in the raw or unfiltered way. In professional settings, it's better to show the responsible and mature version of yourself. Uh, so yes, be yourself, and uh, but be your best self, not your casual self.
Yes. Why do people say be authentic in a workplace?
Authenticity shows trust, and which also build trust in a professional field. It reduces stress, improve teamwork, and makes communication honest. But in my opinion, authenticity doesn't mean saying everything that comes to your mind. It means staying true to your values.
What problems do you think will occur if someone is being their real self and being too real at work?
Um, if someone is totally unfiltered, it can create misunderstandings. For example, showing anger openly and oversharing personal information, making jokes that may offend other people's, and being too casual with seniors, which can hurt someone also. So, being too real can look unprofessional and harm your image.
So, what do you think is the right balance between being real and being professional?
Mm, the right balance is what I can call authenticity with awareness. If we say be honest but use respectful words, and express yourself but control your emotions also. And if we say share your personality but follow your professional boundaries also.
Okay. So now let's speak about how does being your real self help in career growth.
Yes, when authenticity is combined with emotional intelligence, so if people see that you are dependable, respectful, and genuine, they trust you more. Like that trust helps in leadership roles, teamwork, and long-term growth also.
Okay, can you give like a simple example in your own experience?
Uh, if we talk about example, so currently I am pursuing MBA. So in internship period, so I realized when I speak politely, stay calm, and listen more to people's, then people respond better. And if I like act too casual or frustrated, then the result which I got is totally opposite of that.
Okay,
So
so
yeah.
what is the like? Can you give me like much more examples if you're interested in your own experience? More, we want to know the depth in your own experience.
Um, in own experience, I will say that uh, like
In a if you're like if you ever were since you're an MBA student, you're saying in an internship you must have observed that any employee or your colleagues or you being too real, how did it impact you, or have you seen anyone who are too real and what did you think about them?
if I talk about my graduation period,
Mhm.
I was doing internship in a CA firm.
Hmm.
So that time, the uh, professor which was teaching me, so they were very polite. So I was also like interested in learning more things with them. And if take an example, like if he was not that kind of person, so I won't get interest to learn more from him or like something like that.
Yes. So, what is your final message on this topic?
My final message is being your real self is good, but being your best and more professional version of yourself is even better.
Thank you so much. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.